So, welcome to day six of really today. I forgot my scripts at some place and I'm not getting them. So, leave it. Let's start. Today is day six of our 90 days challenge, and today I'm gonna continue the assignments that I have left at last lecture. So, yesterday I was discussing about forms and the different types of inputs. As we know, like I've created already one form like this, a personal life organizer, a daily task manager, a contact directory, a quick notes, a health tracker, and a quick link section in work resources. Okay, great. So we have ended up till contact directory. Now we are gonna create quick notes. Okay, so yeah, let's start writing code for it. So to create quick notes, you will need a form and the form, let's say H3 quick notes. I think it should be like H4. So yeah, quick notes and the quick notes we got a subheading of H3 secret notes, and under secret notes we got input area for text. So label. Let's keep secret notes as label. Input and first it's for notes, and here we will write down the ID is equal to notes and type is equal to text. Okay, and yeah, now we need a text box. First, let me show you what outputs we got at this code. So we got this as output, a text box where you can write this. I think we should keep a placeholder over here named as note title. Okay, great. We have also got a name as note title. Now, what we need next? Next, we need over here like okay, quick notes is good, secret notes is good, note title is a good. We need one more thing is like a text box, actually text area. So text area calls is equal to 30. Let's make it 50 and rows is equal to rows equal to 4, and right now let's keep this one empty and a placeholder be like write your notes. Yeah. Okay, great. We got here right notes over here. And as you can see, it's inside and we need to trim down. So we need to add two more tags or the BR and BR. BR is stands for break zero. And we got this one more section of right notes over here. Okay. Now what we need a password and password as an input to save your secret notes, right? So yeah, let's create a password. To create a password, you write input type equal to password, then a placeholder for password and all set. We got a password and let's create it down. Okay, got the password and I need a submit button. So input is equal to type. Let's submit and yeah, submit for it have the placeholder. Placeholder is let's submit. Okay, done. And same over here again to BR tags. So yeah, we successfully have created our quick note section. And now let's create a horizontal line over here with the tag HR. HR stands for horizontal rule. Okay. And now let's create this health tracker. And in health tracker, we are finally going to use this gem box. And here, this section I've teased you how to make it in my last day 4 lecture. So you can go and watch it out. So first, let's create the L tracker, and remaining will be homework for you. Form, and after form, we go for like L. There will be a L tracker, then there will be the log. Then you have a calendar, and you got two numbers of system, and then type range, then exercise done, and then login all the data. Okay. So this is the system, this is the format we are gonna go for. So let's go with H2 and in H2 what we are gonna write? We are gonna write LG tracker. Just keep it over here. Okay, great. So yeah, it's L tracker and after this we got this H3 of burial log. Actually, if you want to make such kind of website, first, you need to make a PPT or a notebook in which you will write down the whole format that in which way you want to showcase your website. Write down, right? So right now I can't see in my notes. So first I made a basic website and now I'm showing you how I made it. Okay. So yeah, daily LG log is this. Now we will take one input. Type will be uh, type will be what you say, yeah, date and Yeah, it's an out type is equal to date. So we got this date, and in here you can choose a calendar. Okay, great. Now after this, we got a number, and max is min is 30, and max is let's keep it. Input time is equal to number, and now min is equal to 30, and max is equal to 100. And let's see. So yeah, uh, now what you need? You need a placeholder name wait. So let's create a placeholder for wait. And yeah, don't worry about this small box. We can edit it using CSS, and CSS I will teach you in upcoming 2 3 lectures after completion about ID, about class, and about the containers. Okay. So yeah, its placeholder is equal to wait, and let's see. And now I need it down, right? So here I will add two BR tags, and yeah, I got it down. Now I need hours of sleep. Okay, so we will have this same form again, and this time we will give placeholder as hours of sleep, hours of sleep, and also it will have a label. So let's create a label for it. Label for sleep, and ID is equal to sleep, and type is equal to number. Okay. And first, let me create a label, and label is hours of sleep. Hours of sleep. Yeah. And again, we need to add BR tag over here. So let's add two BR tags, and then all set. We got this, and next step is range. So you need any, yeah, you need a label for this too. So first let's create a label for level, and what the label will be, this will be energy level. And now you need input type will be range, and let's say what we need, energy level, right? Right. So for energy level, let's keep min is equal to 5, and max is equal to 100. Okay. Uh, or let it keep 0. So yeah, it's from 0 to 100, and still you need BR tag. So here let's add BR tag, and so you can see now energy level, and we have this range between 0 to 100. Okay, now exercise done, and here you will need this checkbox. And once you are done with the checkbox, then you can go ahead. Go ahead. Okay. Yeah. So exercise done, and exercise done. Let's keep it X H4. Yeah. Exercise done, and after this you will need four input box, and here you will add type is equal to what type they are. They are checkbox. Okay, and for the checkbox you need the same name. Name equal to let's keep exercise. Now you also need a view, and yeah, they all should be placed under the label. So let's create a label for them, and yeah, from here to here command X and command V, and the label is, wait a minute, yeah, I thought so. Let's remove it, and label for exercise, and let the ID be the exercise. And what the label, what for and ID do, for connect this thing with the ID. Okay. So if you want to connect the input and if you want to connect the label, you need this for and ID connection. Then only you can connect both of them. Right. Right. Now let's see what you want for them. Okay. So you want this for like, okay, here. They will have different views. So here and here. Unit for running. Okay. Running. Great. Bro, I made a mess. Okay, it's solved. It's still not gonna get solved. Okay, so what you will be the, you will be like gym and over here in gym. Great. And yoga, Yoga, yoga. And one more is swimming, swim. Okay. Also, yesterday I said you this main difference between checkbox and the radio button. So, what is the main difference between checkbox and the radio button is? See, radio button is like a single choice answer, and yeah, this what you call it a checkbox. Checkbooks have multiple options. Okay, and now let's see this. What you say? Log in. L log L the data. Okay, great. So it will be like input type is equal to submit and placeholder, let's say placeholder will be log L the data, log L the data and done. And let's keep it a button and uh, placeholder is not working actually. Why it's not working? Okay, that's my mistake. Here I have to give value and yeah, we got it. And over here, let's keep a beer tag, one more beer tag. So yeah, we finally created our basic personal life organizer, daily task manager, contact directory, quick notes, and health tracker. And the remaining part of this quick link section in work resources is homework for you because I have teached you how to do it in day 3 ka lecture. Actually, day 4 ka lecture is today is day 6, and tomorrow I will try to discuss about what is ID, what is dev, and the different topics related to them. Okay, great. So today we made it for 22 minutes. Good one. Yesterday it was 40 minutes. So on forms we got like the 60 minutes per lecture. I hope you find it informative and like if it even helping like a one guy it will be very helpful for me. So yeah, thank you and bye.